Materials. In the Borshchiv region, soročky were often made of hemp, which was less expensive than fine linen. Hemp was harvested twice a season. The male part of the plant, the ploskin, called staminate, was harvested first, followed by the female part of the plant, the matirka, or pistillate. The former produced fine quality threads, and the latter coarser ones. For a more vibrant appearance, the woven cloth was soaked and laid out to be bleached by the sun. This process was repetitive and turned the gray-green hemp cloth to the desired shade of white. From the day the seeds were sown to the day sowing was completed, soročky could take up to 2 years to be made. Retting and breaking. Once harvested, hemp was prepared for spinning by retting and breaking. Retting is the process of softening the hemp stalks by soaking them in water. When retting was complete, the stalks were dried and broken down using a tarlica. The tarlica is used to separate the hemp fibers from the stalk before it can be used to make thread. The tarlica is designed to crush the stalk in a process called breaking. Breaking is accomplished by beating the stalks to free the fibers from the core of the hemp plant. Carding. The people of the Borshchiv region kept sheep to have skins for outerwear and wool for weaving. The sheep were shorn once each year and their wool prepared for weaving by carding. Carding is the process of using chisalki, carding paddles, to separate and straighten the sheep's wool. This process turns the wool into long, soft strands that can be spun into thread for embroidery or sewing. Spinning and weaving. In each household, women were responsible for spinning thread and weaving cloth. Spinning is the process of converting fibers into thread using a veretense, drop spindle, or priadka, spinning wheel. These tools were used to twist fibers into thread for weaving, hence the term homespun. To make hemp cloth, threads were woven together using a verstat, loom, which interlocks vertical and horizontal threads. A lower thread count was coarser and used for everyday wear. A higher thread count was softer and reserved for festive attire.